Hello! Welcome back to Naomi's Corner. Today, I will be showing you how to bake a veggie pineapple upside down cake on top of the stove using my beautiful 11-inch large skillet with, of course, my best kitchen helper, which is my Saladmaster Food Processor. So, our ingredients are zucchini, yellow squash, apple, carrots, and 3 large eggs, and any cake mixture. You can also use your own mixture from scratch. So all we need to do now is just basically dump or pour in our cake mixture on your salad bowl. And then we need the 3 eggs. Oops. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay, now we'll be using my Saladmaster Food Processor. So it comes with 5 different cones, but we're going to be using our smallest cone, which is cone number 1, okay, to shred our vegetables. So we're going to start with carrots. We all know that carrots is rich in beta-carotene, good for your eyesight. It's also good in fighting different cancer. Number 1 is breast cancer, so I love that. Okay, it's so easy. We're gonna put in also our zucchini. Whatever vegetables you may have at home, you can. As you can see, we're not peeling. We're including all the peelings because that's where all the goodness is. So I'm not gonna use all of it because we don't want your cake mixture to be really heavy. I'm gonna add a little bit of yellow squash. Guys, if you are on a diet, yellow squash and zucchini are 90% water. So it's really good for people who are on a diet. And of course, we have our apple. 1 apple a day makes the doctor go away. It prevents a lot of cancer, lung cancer, colon cancer, breast cancer. So even the recipe will tell you to peel, to not peel. Just really wash it really good, okay? Okay, like what I said, I'm not going to use all of it. You can also use or add any vegetables that you have in the refrigerator. You can have bitter melon. You can also add some green apple or radishes, celery, anything that you have, and it's all possible. It's gonna really taste good with your Saladmaster. So all we need to do now is mix it. So now that all of our ingredients are in, it's time to stir the cake mixture and your vegetables. All right. Okay, wow. As you can see, it's gonna turn moist even without the use of oil. Wow. Okay, now that our mixture is ready, we are all set to start baking our cake. And remember, we're gonna bake the cake on top of the stove. This 11-inch large skillet, you don't have to preheat, just the regular oven. Because here, the secret is whatever the heat on the bottom, side, and on top are even. That's why you can bake a cake on top of the stove. So what I did here, to serve like a cushion, because we are not non-stick, we're not using any oil, I pour in a little bit of the juice of the pineapple and the pineapple slices. If you are baking chocolate cake and you don't want to use any oil, you can use any fruits at the bottom to serve as a cushion. Okay, so all we need is pour in all of our mixture. Okay, so now everything is in. We can just start spreading it. Okay, just like so. Wow, everyone can bake a cake so easy on top of your stove. Now we are ready to bake our cake. So we cover it, we set the temperature to medium heat. Once you hear the vapor valve starts clicking, all you need to do is reduce the heat from medium to low for like about 12 minutes. And your pineapple upside down veggie cake is ready to serve to your family. So once the vapor valve starts clicking, all you need to do is reduce the heat from medium to low for 12 minutes. Now 12 minutes are up. We are ready to check our pineapple upside down veggie cake baked on top of the stove. Wow! Cook in perfection! Now I'm ready to have a taste of my delicious cake. Yummy. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Naomi's Corner for more delicious recipes using Saladmaster. Stay amazing!